Hey guys, this is my bike check. My bike is a 2009 FBM Maraurder. So let's start in the front. I got 5 Fino Grips. They come as one long thing. Cut them down to your length. I like them long. That's why I got them. My stem is an S&M LIL REDNECK stem. It's a really nice stem. I like it. My bars, I just painted them black. They were originally red, but I painted them black because I like black better. Got a scavenger sticker there. Front rim is a stock red rim. It's really nice. It's double walled. Got some white spokes. Stock peg. And the tires are Tioga Factory FS 100. It's stock. Yeah. Got another dance comp sticker there. Pedals are Alex Hamilton, plastic, clear. They're really nice pedals. Cranks are stock. My sprocket is Animal Vinny Sammon in blue, 25 tooth. It's really nice. My chain is some shit chain that I had to put on last night because my other one broke. That's pretty much it. My seat is a nice seat, stock. I got a animal sticker on my seat clamp. Back peg is a Primo binary peg. Really nice peg. I like it a lot. Back rim stock. It's red. White spokes. Pretty nice. I like them. I just put them on today. And my back tire is a Primo Comet slick. It's a really nice tire. I like it a lot. I'd recommend getting it. And fly bike bar ends. What else? That's pretty much it. My bike, I think it weighs like 30 pounds or something like that. It's a tank. But I don't understand how it weighs 30 pounds when it says it comes 27. And I cut some stuff out to make safe weight. Whatever. What are you gonna do? I don't really care. I'm a big kid. So, that's my bike check.